Now, I will demonstrate how to crochet a puff flower for embellishing the upper part of the slipper. First, get the yarn ready. Hold the yarn in your hand with the working yarn draped over your fingers, crossing it over the tail end. Using your thumb finger, press down on the point where the yarn crosses over. Then insert your crochet hook into the loop and grab the yarn. Hook out a loop, pull it up. Yarn over, and hook out to complete a chain 1. Hold the yarn tail in the circle in your hand. Then insert your hook into the circle and crochet 10 single crochet stitches. After the first single crochet, mark it. Then continue to complete the remaining 9 single crochet stitches. Last single crochet. You can count to double check and ensure that you've completed 10 single crochet stitches. Count from the marked stitch, and you should have a total of 10 stitches. You can turn the work round and pull the tail end of the yarn to close the circle. At this point, you should have created a circular pattern. Insert hook into remaining loop and work a slip stitch into first single crochet. Place the sticker in the following stitch to mark it. Yarn over and draw up a loop with 2 loops on the hook. Pull the first loop through the back loop to complete the slip stitch. Then work a chain of 4. To increase the size of the puff pattern, consider adding extra chain stitches at this point. Then yarn over and insert hook into the same first single stitch. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the stitch. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Keep 3 loops at the same level. Yarn over again and pull it through the first 2 loops on your hook. You will now have 2 loops remaining on your hook. Again, yarn over, insert hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull it through the first 2 loops. Repeat these steps 3 times for 1 stitch, which means working 3 and finish double crochet stitches into the same stitch. You should have 4 loops on your hook when you complete. Continue the process in the next stitch. Insert the hook into the marked stitch, and then place the sticker into the next stitch to mark it. Also work 3 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. After completing these steps, you should have 7 loops on your hook. Next, yarn over and pull your hook through all 7 loops. Then chain 5. Insert the hook into the same stitch to work a slip stitch. Now, you've achieved the first petal pattern. pull the loop to fasten off, and use your hands or hook to adjust the shape of the petal to make it perfect. For each petal, follow the same steps. Start by making a chain of 4. Next, work 3 double crochet stitches into each single crochet, working into 2 single crochet stitches in total. This will give you a total of 6 double crochet stitches and 7 loops on the hook when completed. After completing the single crochet stitches in succession, pull your crochet hook through all 7 loops on the hook, next, chain 5, and finish with a slip stitch. This will create a petal pattern. To achieve the overall design, craft 5 petal patterns in your work. Follow the same process for each petal, allowing yourself time to master the crochet technique for one petal before repeating it. Begin by creating a chain of 4 for every petal, and then execute the sequence of 6 double crochet stitches into 2 single crochet stitches. Pull through all 7 loops on the hook, chain 5, and finish with a slip stitch. Cut off the yarn and weave in yarn tail. Adjust the stitches to make the petal maintain in good shape. Finally, utilize a needle to carefully thread the purl into the center of the crocheted puff pattern. Subsequently, thread the entire puff pattern to the upper section of the slipper.